So I got this friend mail, and it's always so exciting and definitely a blessing, isn't it? This comes by way of Omneya, of Omneya's Wish, my nail sister here on YouTube. She reached out to me and said that she was sending some things. So Omneya, I thank you so much. And guys, yeah, you know what? The flaps are cut open, but I have not been through this because I wanted to go through this with you guys. So this is as far as I've gotten. And look at what's on top. She got some ziggy zaggies in there. So cute, isn't it? So let me just set this right here because I always like to have a little scenery set up. You guys know that. I'm going to try to press this down a little bit. Let me see what I could get to hold this down. So I've taped that down so we have some room for me to show you guys what came in this box. And I'm so excited to go through it. It popped loose. Put some Polish sausages on. Put 3 of them on. Okay, there we go, guys. So let's see what's inside. So this looks like, and you know what? I've only used She Modern that one time when I got the stamping polish. So I have yet to get familiar with things from, you know, things through their company. So she must have received this as part of a PR package or just her purchase. Let me get this open. There's quite a few things in here. I don't know if this is just a background piece to hold the plastic straight, but you know what? This can be used as a palette, guys, and that's exactly what I'm going to be using this for. It's nice and sturdy and firm. I don't think this was just like a random piece. I think this was definitely something intentional. And then there's a few hand tools in here. Let me just take them out. Aww, there's an extra little one of their bottles because she does put her glitters inside of little bottles like the ones you see in there. And I'm just discovering this. I'm opening up. You guys are seeing this at this. You guys are seeing this at the same time with me. So cute. Yeah, they put their, She Modern puts their artwork in these little bottles. So cute. So that must be an extra. Thank you. And without taking them out, these, well, and then there's 2 swatch rings. Thank you. These are, you put your color swatches on it, and then you can place these on the handle of your polish bottle. I've never had these. I've never had these. I think this is a stopper that goes inside the bottles. Yeah, it is. It's a dispenser stopper to keep everything from spilling out. So let me just, whoops. Let me just put that in. These rubber gloves. It slipped through the rubber gloves. So, yeah. And then the 2 palettes. And so here are some sponges. Cute. I haven't used anything like this, but you know what? I'll find a creative use for anything. Yeah, sponges for you to do some nail artwork with. I like these. And you know what? I'm going to try to figure out a way to use them and keep them clean so I can reuse them. That's the key thing. Okay guys, so I got a little sidetracked before getting back to this, but we'll keep going because this box is loaded, guys. And then here's some more. Thank you, Omneya. Here's some more. Oh, these are not swatch rings. You know what these are? And I was kind of avoiding opening that bag because I got these rubber gloves on, and the reason why I have these on is because, guys, my fingertips are messed up again, and this time around it's hurting like crazy. So it's going to be a while. You guys are going to see me with gloves. I'm not even up to doing any nails on myself. So what these are what you put your, you can mix your colors in here as you're doing nail art or just polishing or whatever. Oh, thank you so much. I've actually always wanted some of these. So now I got them. Thank you. And we have, I like it. I like it when they do, this is some type of stamping polish, it must be, because this is a swatch piece on here, so you could see how it comes out on black or white. This is called Mirror Mirror. And my eyes are bad. I can't tell the company name. But isn't it beautiful? It's a silver shimmer. So I'll have to swatch that and see how it looks on the black and the white. So there's a bunch of bottles in here, guys. Oh, I'm just gonna throw them out here. Are these She Modern, Omneya? Because I've only purchased the one thing from them that you guys saw in my haul. So yeah, this is how she does her glitter things, from what I know in videos that I've seen. Oh, and they're such cute colors. I'm getting some of the Ziggy Ziggies. Red. That says red. What's going on with my light? It's probably because the box is right there. But I'm just going to take them out. I told you guys this box is loaded, and if you hear noise in the background, my dogs are eating right now, so you might hear their bowls being dragged across the floor. So yeah, sparkly glitters, green, sheer white. You just kind of go through them. Sheer color. I love these holographic stickers. Sparkling translucent glitter. Oh yes, honey. My camera cutting off again. Galaxy color. So that's She Modern. Yeah, these are She Modern, different glitters. And semi-transparent color powder. Glitters and powders. I'm still becoming familiar with the company. There's some red sparkly glitter. Cute. It's like a reddish orange. Cute, guys. So cute. Oh, you guys know I love black, and look at that sparkle in it. Oh, thank you so much. I am so excited over these. This yellow, and this is like a I was gonna say translucent, like a pearlesque white, a pearl white, iridescent. Very, very pretty. You guys hear me throwing them down over here off to the side. Look at these. I'm trying not to block the light. I think it's because the box is there. Isn't that cute? I just think it's really cute that they even come in these little bottles. It kind of almost makes them a bit spill proof, right? Even if you knock it over because of the nozzle that's in it. And let me open up so you could see. So it makes it a little bit spill proof. And how nifty. This is like a very, very pastel pale. It looks yellow to me, with a little bit of shimmer in it. Maybe, I don't know if it's showing up on camera because it looks a little faded. Look at that purple, so pretty. Purple love, and then these three colors. Thank you so much. That is quite a few of them. And they're all so sparkly and cute. I love these little bottles. So let's see. A Madam Glam? Omneya, oh my gosh, a Madam Glam. You know what? I must have said something about this polish in one of your videos. I must have. Oh, that is such a nice color. I want to take the gloves off to see if it's a good nude for me, because I believe that may be the reason why she sent this. But you know what? I'll just go ahead. And then you guys could see my finger too. Yeah, that is looking like that would be a nice nude on me, right? And you have to excuse my hands because they've been in and out of the gloves, but it's starting back up, and this thumb has got splits in it. Anything that I touch, it's very sensitive and it hurts. So yeah, you guys are gonna see me with these gloves on for a while, because this time I'm gonna try to get it to totally heal before I take the gloves off. So yeah, it looks like it would be a beautiful nude on me, right? Thank you so much. I must have said something about this color in a video or something. We'll just keep going, guys. A crystal clear stamper. We're gonna have to open this. I'm like a little kid. Just grab for these scissors. And before I open it all the way, I just wanted to show you that it says Ice Cube Stamper. Oh, it's a Maniology Stamper, which I recognize that print on there. That's what this is, because I see the M on it. It's a Maniology stamping polish. Okay, now it makes sense. I've never had anything from Maniology. So let me see this stamper. Let me see this stamper. Oh, it's got a little cute one. Oh, isn't that so cute? Omneya, girl. That is too cute. Look at the little packaging. So cute. So special for such a tiny little stamper. So cute. I don't have the gloves back on all the way. And it's kind of a pain too to take them off, put them back on, take them off, put them back on, because I don't change every time I take them off, especially if I'm doing a set and I have to take a break or I got to step away. I'm gonna put them same gloves back on. Yeah. I like this bag, quality bag, very nice. Oh, look at the stamper. Very nice. Oh, that sure is crystal clear, isn't it? Wow. I can't wait to use this. Yes. Yes, you could see through it. Look at the ziggy-zaggy straight through there. Oh, I like it. Thank you so much. That's so cute. Let's see what this is. Thank you so much, Omneya. I really appreciate it. Oh my gosh. What do we have here? It looks kind of familiar. Huh? Like a Boss. Is this acrylic powder? I think I said something about this in one of your videos too. If not, I have seen this Like a Boss. I can't remember whose acrylic it is. But thank you so much. Oh, look at the pink. It's called Graceful Like a Boss. And then this is there a name? It looks to be, oh, Jasmine Torres. I'm not familiar with Jasmine Torres, but I believe I may have seen this either on Insta or a video in passing. Thank you so much. We're going to give these a try too to see how they are. Very, very nice. Thank you. Okay, and then we got some goodies here. Oh, there's more stuff in here, guys. Girl. So yeah, just before the recording cut off again, I was moving the box out of the way and I was just pulling out these stamping plates that she sent. And this is a Born Pretty plate. This one says SPV. Can't recollect what company that may be, but look, they look like marbling plates, right? Or at least the texturized look. Oh, I can't wait to use these. Look at how nice. Definitely you would put it over like some type of swirl or marbling and then stamp over it with this. So nice. And then SPV. Omneya, oh my gosh. Not familiar with the company that would have that engraving, but Sakura, that's my favorite. This looks like this might be a lotus flower right here. I'm liking this fine print. Oh, it's so pretty. Thank you. Thank you so much. And then there's a bag of goodies. So these are this is some more stuff from She Modern. And yeah, you know what? I saw this. And this can be, is it firm enough for a scraper? I believe this is a stencil. Again, like I said, I haven't had, this was my first time with She Modern when I got that stamping polish. So I have to do some more lookup on their website. Oh my gosh, this is a card with many more of them inside. So there's quite a few. There's hearts, stars, diamond shape. Yeah, reusable. Oh, how convenient is that? How convenient is that? Reusable stencils. Very cool. Oh, look at the cut around this one. So you could lay it across the nail, you know, and you put that design on there like that, I would imagine. Very, very cool. Very cool. Thank you. And then here's some stickers. Look at that, guys. And it's well, it's not holographic, but it has like the rainbow effect in it. Let me turn it away from the light. It has like the rainbow effect where it goes from one color to the next. Likewise with these stickers. Cute. And then these. Oh, I like these. I love this print. Very nice. Oh, guys, look at the little gold Louis Vuitton stickers. Oh my gosh, I have Louis Vuitton, but nothing like this. Oh, Omneya, look at this. And this is the last thing for me to show you. I think it is. Yeah, the other stuff came in this. Guys, 本当に可愛いです。どうもありがとう。Japanese nail stickers. They're so cute. Ah, kawaii. Oh, and kawaii does mean cute in Japanese, guys. Thank you so much. I love you much, sis. And I'm just putting everything back here, guys, so you guys could see what all it is. It's so much stuff. So much stuff. Madam Glam, let's throw you right there. And like a boss. Bam, like a boss. And then Maniology, got to get your polish in there with your stamper. And then some nail tools here. Quite a few of them look like they're curettes. And, but because they're from She Modern, I would imagine they have like certain uses for them with their nail art. So yeah, guys, nail sister love. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you'd like to see more friend mail and hauls like this, you can see more by clicking this link. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel, because I am actually backed up and I still have so much more to come. Not to mention, there's even PR packages that are on the way. So I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Much love.